shooting straight. I mean, come on. At least it's calmed down a bit. Barely even hear it from me. Probably because the heater's on. Bored. I should just read a book. I'll just go get a book. Time to read. Once upon a time, there was just a man randomly walking through his room. Oh, what a great day to randomly walk through my room. At one point, the man came across a bridge that is somehow in his room. Yeah. And soon, a troll popped out wearing a leather jacket. The man was shocked. Obviously. To pass my bridge, you must answer one riddle. Probably the hardest riddle you will ever have. The man replied, "What is your riddle, kind troll? With leather on?" Riddle 1. In rain, I am bad looking, but in sun, I am also bad looking. What am I? You are ugly. The man was correct. That is correct. You may pass my bridge. The man was ecstatic with joy. Hooray! So the man walked across the bridge, pretty much going nowhere, until he randomly fell to his death. The end. That was terrible. Gosh. The rainy day boredom that you just witnessed is no ordinary rainy day boredom. This rainy day boredom can only exist in the Twilight Zone.